Welcome back to Oxygen Frog. I'm Scott Fleischman, your host, scientist, and chemical engineer. Today I'm going to be going over some of the methods that we here at Oxygen Frog use to help you determine what size of legacy system would be required to meet your needs. We call the methods that we use estimation. And the reason for that is that the amount of oxygen that anyone uses is so variable that an exact calculation is actually impossible. For example, someone could be using a very large torch, like a GTT Samurai, to make just beads and pendants. On the other hand, someone could be making 6-inch marbles on a Bethlehem Alpha. Not likely. Nobody understands their usage in liters per minute. But if you can tell us how many K-tanks you rip through in 8 hours, we can tell you which Oxygen Frog system will satisfy that need. It's important to understand that when we discuss K-tanks per 8 hours, that is only an estimate of demand, and that Oxygen Frog systems cannot fill K-tanks. Let me give you a couple of quick examples of system sizes. As we go through these, keep in mind that Oxygen Frog's exclusive active compression control technology allows you to easily expand either of these systems over a wide range of capacity without requiring the replacement of any major parts. Just simply turn the knob. If you're making small to mid-sized pieces, a legacy HPC with either 1 or 2 10 LPM oxygen concentrators in a 60-gallon tank will meet your needs very nicely. If you're making much heavier pieces or just tend to use a lot of oxygen, I recommend going with the Legacy 220. This larger legacy machine can run anywhere from 2 to 8 10 LPM oxygen concentrators depending on your specific needs. We invite you to comment below, please subscribe to our channel, and follow us on Instagram. So hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for tuning in.